Hello guys, review Oppo A5. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage in Aurora green color. Open box and look, completation. We have device in the green color, of course, and this we have adapter for charging with quick charge 45 watt and Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Good. Now open box, papers and protected back cover. Now talk about device. Device with double camera and LED. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power button, volume buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. We have protected film on the display, display IPS, HD plus resolution, 90 Hz. Okay, open settings and look, Android version. About device, we have ColorOS 15 and Android 15, 6000 mAh battery. Okay, open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S, 4G Gen 1, octa-core processor and Adreno 610, this GPU. Look results, single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay, close this, open undo the benchmark. Undo the benchmark results, okay, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. Okay, game load and graphics we have low. Only low graphic level, okay. Minimum level. And game works good on this level, but this lowest level in this game. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.